Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back with day 15 into our 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. And on day 15, I am gifting this Hot Buy stamp set to my crafty partner. And so all I did was add this holographic rosette on the top. I am sticking it in this wine bottle type of stocking deal. And I will secure, no, maybe we don't want that. I will secure the tag on here for day 15. So thank you for joining me today. If you've missed any of the videos, go ahead and check the playlist in the description box below, or any of these videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have a crafty friend you think will enjoy it, give it a share. And until my next video, shakas!